Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I got another project I'm working on. As you can see, I've got our RV at home in our driveway. So I'm doing a few things to it. We just got it back from Lazy Days Repair Center. We had the dash air conditioner compressor replaced in the engine, and now we've got cool air in the passenger compartment up front now while we're driving, which we definitely needed with the season coming up here. And today I'm going to be, a lot of people ask me, hey Todd, what's the best security camera system you can get for your RV? There's so many of them out there today, guys, that it's hard to make that decision. But there was some criteria that was very important to me, because especially by just having it recently in the RV repair shop, I never knew what was going on. Every time you drop it off there, it takes so long for them to get a job done. And it was there for about a little over a month, this visit around, just for that AC repair. So I thought, you know what? I did a review on a 4G cellular camera, security camera, a few months back. That would be perfect to mount on here. And that's what I'm going to show you today as I finish up this project. That would be what you want for your RV, because you can see it while it's at the repair shop, as long as it's got 4G signal. My little SIM card is with T-Mobile. So let me finish this up. We'll talk some more about it. Stay tuned. Back. So what I'm doing here is I've just mounted this mounting plate to the side of the front cap of my RV here, and I drilled 4 small pilot holes for these small screws to anchor this cap into place. I put some strong double-sided sticky tape on the back of it first, and then topped it off with RTV clear sealant around the top and sides, as you may see here maybe. And I'm filling in the screw holes, the top of the screws right here. Just to keep it all sealed up. From weather. And it should probably keep the screws from rusting from moisture. So there we go. Now I'm going to go grab the camera, and we'll just go. It just slides and clicks into place up here, and now I'll get you a better view of it. All right, now here's the Room 4G cellular camera I'm using today. I had this mounted up in my backyard on a palm tree stump, so I could test this out for you guys. Like I said months ago, if you want to see more detailed information. But in this seal down below the camera head, that is where your SIM card will mount, and also your SD card for memory on storage for your security capture on motion detect or whatever you want. So this is all this unit is all you need. It's got solar power with internal batteries. These are 4G antennas, not Wi-Fi. So you don't need Wi-Fi. You don't need power to your RV. Everything can be completely shut down. It could be in a storage lot like we do sometimes. And you can always access the camera. Let me get it mounted. Just slide it down in place. Locks right in. Antenna straight up. And you can point the solar panel however you want. I got it at a slight angle so that rainwater can run off. And it doesn't stick out much further from our awning that folds in. Or our mirror, actually. So it's in from the mirror distance. So as long as you don't hit your mirrors on anything, the camera should be fine. All right, there it is. It's not too big. I mean, the biggest decision you have to make when installing this is, do you want to drill those pilot holes in the side of your RV? And I think it's worth it. I mean, you're looking out for the security of your thousands of dollar value RV from anywhere in the world, whenever you want. So now I'm going to show you how it works on the smartphone app from inside and see that we'll test we've got connection. And there it is. This is going to be nice. There's the clearance. If you compare it to the mirror, we're clear while driving in narrow spots. So we're good to go there. All right, we're back in the studio office and we're going to test out this camera through the app. And I've got it in this folder here. It's called U-Box app. That's for the room camera, 4G camera. So I'm going to open up U-Box app right here by clicking on it. Right here on the front page, you see it says it's a 4G camera. You see the last image that the camera had on file, and it does say at the left corner, bottom corner, that image says it's online right now. So that means there's a good 4G signal out there at the RV. So we're going to press the image, and it will load up your camera image live. And there we have it. There it is live. And I can also expand it if I want. And then I have to turn the image like that, in that direction. I get a large screen. And of course I can have the pan and tilt right there as well. Let me go back and go into it again so we can see it vertically here real good. And if I open up the pan and tilt on the left bottom corner, press that, and then it opens up at the bottom of the app there, so you have a good thumb pad there to move the camera. And so I'm moving it to the right. Look at that. I mean, the reception and the responsiveness of this camera is so amazing. I've been playing with it for like the last few months out back, and the picture's really clear. So this is perfect to, you know, because I'm used to having security cameras at my properties, at any property we have. And I've had security cameras on property for the last 10, 15 years or longer. So when I'm away, I can always keep tabs. I know what's going on around my house, probably better than my neighbors when I'm away, because I always can check on it. And what's the difference? This is your RV. This thing's like a couple $100,000 vehicle, home on wheels. So why not have a dependable security system camera that you can depend on, not only for if it's got Wi-Fi. This doesn't need Wi-Fi. This doesn't need the power turned on. It doesn't need it plugged into your RV battery system. It's totally a sealed unit that works on its own. Solar powers up the internal batteries in the camera, and then you've got the 4G SIM card and memory card in the camera head. It's all weatherproof, and you can log into it anytime you want, just like we're doing here. We can even press the mic and speak out of it. Right here, we can press the mic and speak, and then there's a speaker button on the left side that you can turn on or off if you want to hear the sound. There's a camera image, so if you see something happening in front of your RV, just press that camera. It just takes a snapshot and saves it to your phone album. And then you can also press the record camera button right there, and now we are doing live recordings. So it's awesome. And then I believe you've got, let's see, if we go up to the gear setting, you've got right here, it shows you the memory card. We've got 96% space left on it. Activity detection is off. I'm going to press that, and I'm going to put detection sensitivity. We'll make it medium for now. We'll see how that works. We'll go back. And what else do we want? You got the firmware update that we can check as well. And we'll go back. And we can just swipe on this direction pad too. You can do swipe motions to turn it. And of course it goes up and down too. And where I mounted it, we can have a view of the front door area. You know, we can keep an eye on the front door just like that by angling it down. And even with our canopy overhead extended, we'll be able to see down through there underneath the canopy how we mounted it. So this is all I wanted to share with you today. I hope this idea helps you. I think it's the most dependable way to keep an eye on your expensive RV. With this method, that the RV could be dead, and as long as it's getting sunlight on a daily basis or every other day at least to keep the camera battery charged, and you're in an area where you've got good 4G cellular signal, do this. That's what I recommend. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thank you for sticking around and listening to my idea. And if you're interested, I'll leave the product link to this camera and comparative cameras below in the video description, and you can check them out and make your own decision on which brand or model might have the best features for your RV. Guys, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.